Hi everyone, I'm Cris and Bunglay. I am here to report about portable edit wheel. The portable edit wheel is a hand support, power drive machine tools that rotate twice wheel, burners, counter, boards, and similar cutting tools. The portable wheel may be electrically powered by means of an internal electric motor, or maybe pneumatically powered. Portable wheels are rated by the maximum size holes that can be drilled and still without overtaxing the motor or drill. Portable wheels mo siya sa siya pa bagay na. Ang gamit ane sig buslot sa semento, sig buslot sa kahoy, mga bakal. Lahi-lahi na sa size kung depende kung sa inyong gamiton nga pangkuhan sa size o buslot. So siya. Ang functional part of a drill, power source, gear, tracking switch, gear selector, mode, switch color, shock, motor. The drill's mechanism is actually quite simple. A trigger switch, activate, and electric motor. Switch is turned, drives, rotating shock. Numerous accessories can fit into the shock, allowing the drill to burn holes, drive, screw, and hand polish and bring a wide variety of materials. Thank you, everyone.